Listen to the following dialogues.
Unit 2. Peter the Eater. Once Motu goes to a doctor and complains that he has stomach ache, pain in stomach. The doctor inquires of him. Doctor says, "Hello, Motu. How are you?" Motu says, "Not so well, sir." Doctor says, "What is wrong with you, Motu?" Motu says, "Sir, I have severe, very much, extreme stomach ache." Doctor says, "What did you eat last night?" Motu says, "Sir, I took only 3 sandwiches." Doctor says, "At what time?" Motu says, "At 10 o'clock." Doctor says, "Why so late?" Motu says, "Because there were some guests at home and my mother prepared dosa first for them." Doctor says, "Did you eat any dosa?" Motu says, "Sir, I don't like dosa much, so I took only 2 dosa." Doctor says, "But if you don't like dosa, why did you eat 2 dosa?" Motu says, "Sir, I did so because I had taken only 1 pizza when we all had snacks in the garden at 7 p.m. and so I was very hungry." Doctor says, "What? Had you taken 1 pizza before you ate dosha?" Motu says, "Yes, sir." Doctor says, "So you ate 1 pizza, 2 dosa and 3 sandwiches, right?" Motu says, "Yes, sir." Doctor says, "Then your stomach ache is natural." Motu says, "But sir, I haven't taken anything after taking a glass full of milk with bread and butter this morning." Doctor says, "Milk with bread and butter? Oh, Motu, I will go mad. Become mad, lose senses, and hit you if you speak anything now. Take this medicine, something we drink or eat when sick, and go away." Motu says, "Thank you, sir." "Should I eat anything before I take this medicine? Will it be harmful if I take it on a hungry stomach?" The doctor looks at Motu angrily, and Motu quickly, fast, swiftly, rapidly goes out of the room.